Hey John, this is Brandon with Sublime SEO Pro, and in this quick video, I am going to just give you 3 tips and tricks so that you can start to rank higher online so that people find your website on Google. So when you type in Denver HVAC companies, here's the front page of Google. You've got your ads here, you've got your Google Map Pack here, and then you've got your organic searches here. So we're not going to look at Angie's List or Yelp because those are directories, but what I'm going to do is compare your site to Summit Heating AC. So we got your website here and we got Summit Heating here. And I'm just going to show you what they're doing with their site kind of in the background that's allowing them to gain more clients and just give you some tips on how you can outrank them. Okay. So again, man, you're probably wondering why I'm making this video. Like I kind of told you over the phone, I'm just sending out some custom videos to some local businesses here in Colorado and seeing if I can help in any way or add value in any way. It sounds like this is something that you've been thinking about recently about kind of implementing and doing some more SEO work. And you had mentioned that, you know, your other competitors, your top competitors probably have a larger marketing budget than you guys do, but you know, it comes down to just doing this correctly. A lot of companies, a lot of SEO and marketing and digital marketing companies, they don't ultimately know what the heck they're doing. A lot of them are not experts on this stuff. So I just want to again show these few tricks to you and just see what you think and if this is something that you might find valuable. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So when we're talking about content in Google, that's the biggest thing that they're looking for. Content is king. So what you want to do, the first thing that we can improve on is getting at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. The average website on Google has about 1,500 words on the front page. So that's a place that you can start immediately. But, you know, what's more important than the content is what the number of words is the actual content. So what we want to do is place what we call content, buyer intent keywords throughout your website. So these are keywords that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for the product or service that you can provide for them. Okay, so let's take a look here. This is a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and it kind of shows what is happening on your site. So I typed in your domain name here, and it's showing that you have 4 keywords on your website, and you're not getting a lot of organic traffic here. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at Summit, their website. Right here, you can see they have a lot more content on the home page, and let's take a look at their analytics. So they've got 2,200 keywords throughout their entire website, and it's generating a lot more traffic per month. So what we can do is go look at their keywords. They've done a lot of the hard work for you, and we need to place all of these buyer intent keywords that have a lot of search volume. Keep in mind, buyer intent is very important. Just because they're keywords, see this keyword right here, how long does it take to install an AC unit? Whoever types that into Google is not looking to buy an AC unit from a local company here in Denver. So even though it has 350 search volumes per month, that's not a buyer intent keyword. So what you need to do is go through these and figure out which ones of these have buyer intent and place them into your website and just beat out the number of keywords that they have. Okay, so they've got a lot, and whenever people are typing things into Google, they're getting flagged on a lot of these just because they're ranking for all of these possible buyer intent keywords. So that's the first thing. Get your site up to 1,500 to 2,000 words on the front page and just throw a ton of keywords grammatically into the rest of your website. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about are backlinks. So a backlink is basically whenever another website links to your website, driving traffic to you. So Google is like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking back to yours. Okay, so not all backlinks are created equal. You will get a lot more power having other HVAC companies, restoration companies, insurance companies, plumbers, electricians, for example, linking back to you. So these could be blogs, these could be shout outs, you know, you name it. That is what a backlink is. So if we look at your site, you guys have 11 backlinks coming from 7 different websites. So your top competitor here, Summit, they've got 1,200 backlinks coming from 438 different websites. Now, just because they have 1,200 does not mean they are all relevant and trustworthy sites. So keep that in mind. Like I said, they're not all created equal. You want quality here in addition to quantity. But all you need to do here is go look at which ones they have, and you can list yourself in these websites and link yourself to this site. So so these are all companies that have done this and created a backlink. So you just go in, you create an account, you list yourself, and you link it to your site. So that is considered a backlink. Okay. So we need to get you way more backlinks. We need to get you a lot more keywords that drive traffic to your site. And the next thing I want to show you is how to get into this Google Map pack right here. So this comes down to citations. So a citation is anywhere that you can list your business name, address, and phone number onto a directory. So Yellow Pages, Yelp, LinkedIn, Home Advisor, etc. These are all places that you can cite your business. And you need to beat out however many Premier Heating and Air has. So if they've got, 250 citations, we need to get 300 to 350 citations so that we beat out these guys. Okay. So it comes down to just beating what your top competitors are doing by getting more keywords, more content, more backlinks, and more citations than them. And over time, Google will rank you, and we can get you to this front page of Google. Okay, so if you have any feedback or thoughts on this, I would love to hear them, man. And like I said, you can get started on this, and the sooner you get started, the sooner this will start ranking. And if you'd like to kind of partner up and see what I can do to help you with this, I'm obviously open to that as well. Whatever you'd like to do with this information is up to you. I just hope that it is valuable for you, and so that we can kind of ramp up this online marketing for you. Okay, I appreciate your time, John, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon.